Traveling is exciting, but those hidden fees can quickly drain your wallet. Did you know that airlines raked in over $100 billion in extra fees in 2020 alone? Or that using a local SIM card can save you up to 85% on mobile charges abroad? These are just a few shocking facts many travelers are unaware of. In this video, we'll reveal insider tips and strategies to help you avoid these sneaky charges and save money while exploring the world. From smart booking hacks and packing tricks to navigating currency exchanges and staying connected on the go, we've got you covered. You'll learn how to find hidden gems for accommodation, savor local flavors without overspending, and get around town without breaking the bank. Plus, we'll share some amazing statistics and surprising facts that will make you rethink your travel plans. Ready to become a savvy traveler and keep more money in your pocket? Let's dive in and uncover these secrets together. 1. Fee-free adventures. Mastering the art of smart booking. Booking travel can be a minefield of hidden fees if you're not careful. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you dodge those extra costs. First off, always compare prices on multiple websites. According to a study by Consumer Reports, travelers can save up to 30% by comparing prices. Use tools like Skyscanner, Kayak, or Google Flights. Next, consider booking directly with the airline or hotel. Sometimes, they offer exclusive discounts not found on third-party sites. Also, join loyalty programs. Airlines like Delta and hotels like Marriott often have hidden perks for members. Ever heard of price alerts? Set them up. Websites like Hopper predict price drops and can save you a bundle. And remember, the timing of your booking matters. According to cheapair.com, the best time to book a domestic flight is between 21 to 115 days in advance. For international flights, it's around 70 days out. Now, let's talk about hidden fees. When booking flights, always check the total cost, including taxes and fees. Some airlines lure you in with low base fares but charge extra for bags, seat selection, and even snacks. According to a 2020 report by IdeaWorks Company, ancillary revenue, those extra fees, for airlines exceeded $100 billion globally. Another tip: use credit cards that offer travel rewards. Cards like Chase Sapphire Preferred offer points on every dollar spent, which can be redeemed for flights or hotel stays. And don't forget about travel insurance. Sometimes, your credit card provides this for free. Check your benefits before purchasing additional insurance. 2. Luggage hacks. Travel light, save big. Let's dive into packing. Overpacking is a common mistake and can lead to hefty baggage fees. Did you know that American Airlines charges $30 for the first checked bag on domestic flights? And it only goes up from there. Start by making a packing list. Be ruthless. Do you really need 3 pairs of shoes? Probably not. Roll your clothes instead of folding them. It saves space and reduces wrinkles. Use packing cubes to keep things organized. Stick to carry-on luggage whenever possible. Not only does it save you money, but it also saves time at the airport. You can skip the baggage claim and head straight to your destination. And here's a fun fact. According to a survey by TripIt, 62% of travelers say they can fit everything they need in a carry-on. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. That winter coat or those heavy boots. Put them on. It frees up space in your bag and keeps you warm on those chilly flights. Liquid limits can be a hassle, but travel-sized containers are your friend. Many stores sell empty, reusable bottles that meet TSA requirements. Fill them with your favorite products to avoid buying overpriced travel-sized items. 3. Currency savvy. Dodging exchange rate rip-offs. Currency exchange can be a hidden fee nightmare. To start, avoid exchanging money at airports. Their rates are often the worst. According to the Financial Times, airport exchange rates can be up to 15% worse than those in town. Instead, use local ATMs to withdraw cash. They typically offer better rates. Just be aware of any ATM fees your bank might charge. Some banks, like Charles Schwab, offer fee-free withdrawals worldwide. Consider getting a travel credit card with no foreign transaction fees. Cards like the Capital One Venture Rewards or the Chase Sapphire Preferred are great options. According to a 2019 survey by Value Penguin, 76% of travel credit cards do not charge foreign transaction fees, compared to 40% of regular credit cards. Before you leave, notify your bank of your travel plans. This prevents your card from being blocked due to suspicious activity. Also, carry a mix of payment options. Sometimes, credit cards aren't accepted, especially in more remote areas. When paying with a credit card abroad, always choose to pay in the local currency. Dynamic currency conversion, where you're given the option to pay in your home currency, often comes with a hidden fee. According to NerdWallet, these fees can be up to 7%. Lastly, consider using a multi-currency account like Revolut or TransferWise. They offer great exchange rates and low fees, making it easier to manage your money while traveling. 4. The accommodation advantage. Hidden gems at half the cost. Finding the perfect place to stay without breaking the bank can be a challenge. But there are plenty of strategies to help you save. First, consider alternatives to traditional hotels. According to Airbnb, staying in a rental can save you up to 34% compared to hotels. Look into hostels or guest houses. They offer budget-friendly options and often include free amenities like breakfast or Wi-Fi. Websites like Hostelworld and Booking.com are great for finding these hidden gems. Don't overlook vacation rentals. Platforms like Vrbo and Airbnb offer unique stays that can be cheaper than hotels, especially for longer trips. Plus, having a kitchen means you can save on dining out. Join membership programs. Many hotel chains offer loyalty programs with perks like free nights, room upgrades, and discounts. Marriott Bonvoy and Hilton Honors are just a couple of examples. According to a study by Deloitte, loyalty program members are 50% more likely to be repeat customers. If you're traveling solo, consider Couchsurfing. It's a community of travelers who offer free accommodation. It's a great way to meet locals and get insider tips. According to Couchsurfing, there are over 14 million hosts and surfers worldwide. Don't forget to check for last-minute deals. Apps like Hotel Tonight offer discounted rates on unsold rooms. It's a great way to score a deal if you're flexible with your plans. If you're enjoying this content, make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest videos. 5. Savor the savings. Eating well without breaking the bank. Eating out can quickly eat up your travel budget. But there are ways to enjoy delicious food without overspending. Start by seeking out local markets. They're a great place to find fresh, affordable food. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, farmers markets can offer prices up to 20% lower than supermarkets. Try street food. Not only is it cheap, but it's also a great way to experience local cuisine. In Bangkok, for example, you can get a full meal for just a few dollars. According to a 2018 report by CNN, Bangkok is the world's best city for street food. If you prefer dining in, look for lunch specials. Many restaurants offer set menus at a lower price during lunchtime. It's a great way to try local dishes without paying dinner prices. Another tip: cook your own meals. If you have access to a kitchen, shopping at local grocery stores and preparing your own food can save you a lot. According to a study by the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the average American household spends $3,000 a year on dining out. Use food apps. Apps like Yelp and TripAdvisor can help you find affordable restaurants and cafes. They often have user reviews and photos, so you know what to expect. Finally, avoid tourist traps. Restaurants in touristy areas tend to be overpriced. Walk a few blocks away from the main attractions, and you'll likely find better food at lower prices. According to a 2019 study by the National Restaurant Association, dining at local spots can save you up to 30%. 6. Transportation tactics. Navigating for less. Getting around in a new place doesn't have to be expensive. Start by exploring public transportation options. Buses, trains, and trams are often much cheaper than taxis or rideshares. According to the American Public Transportation Association, using public transit can save you over $10,000 a year. Consider renting a bike. Many cities have bike-sharing programs that are both affordable and eco-friendly. According to a study by the National Association of City Transportation Officials, bike-share trips in the U.S. increased by 52% in 2018. If you prefer driving, look for car rental deals. Websites like rentalcars.com and Kayak can help you compare prices. And always check for hidden fees, such as insurance or additional driver fees. A study by AutoSlash found that booking in advance can save you up to 35%. For shorter trips, walking is free and healthy. According to a 2017 study by Stanford University, walking just 30 minutes a day can significantly improve your health. Don't forget about ride-sharing apps like Uber and Lyft. They can be cheaper than taxis, especially if you use shared ride options. According to a 2019 report by Certify, Uber and Lyft rides are, on average, 20% cheaper than traditional taxis. Lastly, consider using travel passes. Many cities offer passes that provide unlimited access to public transportation for a set period. According to a study by Transport for London, using an Oyster card can save you up to 50% on travel costs. 7. Experience more for less. Affordable activities and attractions. Traveling doesn't have to be expensive to be fun. There are plenty of ways to enjoy your destination without spending a fortune. First, seek out free attractions. Many cities offer free museum days, parks, and cultural events. According to a 2019 survey by Museums for All, over 70% of U.S. museums offer free admission at least one day a month. Check out local festivals and events. They're often free or low cost and give you a taste of the local culture. Websites like Eventbrite and Meetup can help you find events happening during your stay. Consider using city passes. These passes provide discounted or free entry to multiple attractions. For example, the Paris Pass offers access to over 60 attractions for a single price. According to the Paris Pass website, it can save you up to 50% on admission fees. Detours are another great option. Many cities have free walking tours where you pay what you can. Apps like Rick Steves' Audio Europe offer free self-guided tours, which you can follow at your own pace. Explore nature. Hiking, biking, and walking tours can be great ways to see the sights without spending much. According to the National Park Service, entrance fees to U.S. national parks are often under $35, and many parks offer free admission days. Use discount websites. Groupon and Living Social offer deals on activities, dining, and more. According to a 2018 study by Groupon, users save an average of 50% on local deals. 8. Stay connected. Communication without the cost. Staying connected while traveling is essential, but it doesn't have to be costly. First, avoid roaming charges by getting a local SIM card. According to a 2020 study by Twilio, travelers can save up to 85% by using a local SIM card instead of roaming. Use messaging apps like WhatsApp, Skype, or Viber for free calls and texts over Wi-Fi. These apps are widely used and can help you stay in touch without incurring extra costs. Leverage free Wi-Fi. Many cafes, restaurants, and public places offer free Wi-Fi. According to a 2019 report by OpenSignal, 82% of travelers use public Wi-Fi during their trips. Consider getting a portable Wi-Fi device. Companies like Skyroam and TEP Wireless offer devices that provide internet access on the go. According to a 2018 survey by Skyroam, users save up to 40% on data costs compared to roaming. Use offline maps. Download maps from Google Maps or Maps.me before you go. This way, you won't need an internet connection to navigate. According to Google, offline maps can save you up to 50 megabytes of data per day. Lastly, avoid using data-intensive apps. Streaming video or music can quickly eat up your data allowance. According to a study by Cisco, streaming 1 hour of video in HD uses up to 3 gigabytes of data. 9. Travel insurance tricks. Coverage without the cost. Travel insurance can save you from financial ruin, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Start by checking if you're already covered. Many credit cards offer travel insurance as a perk. According to a 2020 report by Value Penguin, 31% of credit cards offer some form of travel insurance. Shop around. Use comparison websites like Insure My Trip or Squaremouth to find the best deals. According to Consumer Reports, comparing quotes can save you up to 50% on travel insurance. Consider what coverage you actually need. Do you need cancellation coverage or just medical? Tailor your policy to your needs to avoid paying for unnecessary extras. According to the U.S. Travel Insurance Association, 80% of travel insurance claims are for trip cancellation. Look for annual policies if you travel frequently. These can be more cost-effective than buying single-trip policies. According to a 2019 study by Allianz Global Assistance, frequent travelers can save up to 60% with an annual policy. Check for exclusions. Make sure the policy covers activities you plan to do, like skiing or scuba diving. According to NerdWallet, Many policies exclude coverage for high-risk activities. Finally, consider a policy with a higher deductible. This can lower your premium. According to a 2018 report by Squaremouth, increasing your deductible from $250 to $500 can save you up to 20% on your premium.